Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, September 6th, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In the regular math classes, we have our Module 1 quiz tomorrow. You also do have your optional review that you were to pick up off Mrs. Cap's counter today. If you're interested, I suggest doing that. In honors, there is no homework. In science, all classes have a variables worksheet that is on Google Docs that they need to complete, where you are identifying your independent and dependent variables based on the given situation. There's also a quiz on Tuesday. Social studies, you need to have the video permission slip from Mr. Sanchez filled out and brought back so that we can utilize that next week. Remember, there are no homework passes allowed on that. Language arts, there is no homework, and tomorrow's Free Write Friday. And then in literature, our article of the week is going to be due on Monday. Most of you have already gotten that done, but for those that don't have it done, you do have a few days left. Remember, you should also be reading 20 to 30 minutes in the evening. And if you've not yet brought back the FCCLA letter to your Warrior Time teacher, please do so by tomorrow. And school pictures are on Tuesday, September 11th. If you've made it this far, congratulations. I highly recommend that you do the review sheet for math, because if you do it, you might just get rewarded for it. Thank you and have a great night.